If you have a whole chicken and you don't know what to make with it, then try out this delicious recipe. In this video, we will make a Hungarian chicken paprikash. So let's get to it. First, we start by cleaning and cutting up the chicken. We cut away the thighs, the legs, the joints, then the wings and the breasts. Next, we give them a good wash and we proceed by cleaning and dicing some white onion. We proceed by dicing up a yellow pepper, but if you can find a Hungarian wax pepper, then go ahead and use that. We do the same with the tomatoes. When done, we clean and crush a few cloves of garlic. As a side dish, we will make some boiled potatoes. The cooking process is easy. We add some duck fat to our cauldron and we sear the diced peppers until they start to get some color. Next, we add the diced onion. We sear the onions until translucent. When done, we take it off the heat and we add the paprika and a small amount of water. If you have chicken broth, then use that. We put our cauldron back on the fire and we add the chicken. For extra flavor, you can brown the chicken first in a pan with some butter. It is up to you. We mix everything well together and we add the water until it almost covers the meat. We season with salt and we add the diced tomatoes along with the crushed garlic. We let it cook for at least 1 hour until the meat is tender. We stir it from time to time and we add some water if needed. Our meat is almost ready, so we mix some sour cream with a tablespoon of plain flour and a touch of paprika for color. We also take some sauce from the cauldron and we stir it in. Next, we add it to our paprikash and we stir it in. We let it cook for a minute and our delicious recipe is ready. We serve it with boiled potatoes and a touch of fresh parsley. This recipe is amazing and full of flavor. Try it out and let us know what you think. Also, if you like our content, then hit that subscribe button. Thank you for watching and see you on the next one.